Hello friends, how are you? Students, today we will discuss our chapter number 10, that is e-commerce, blogging and podcasting. Exercise of this chapter, that is first of all a section, fill in the blanks. First fill in the blanks. The word blog is derived from the word weblog. Second fill in the blanks. E-banking help us to perform bank transaction using internet. Yes friends, all bank that provide us e-banking facility, by using it we can perform that all banking transactions. We can check balance, download statements, bank statements, okay, and fund transfer. Third one, to change the appearance of your blog, click on the layout tab. Yes friends, if you want to beautify your blog, then you can click on layout tab, and after that what you have written in the blog, that will be format according to the layout. Fourth one, Dash is one of the largest online shopping website in the world. Largest online shopping website, that is a Amazon. www.amazon.in. okay, Amazon website that provide the different website for different country. Like for India, www.amazon.in. for Canada, www.amazon.ca. Fifth, Dash is an audio or video broadcast that is distributed on the internet. Podcast. Okay. Sixth one, Dash is an Android application that enables fast, secure, reliable, cashless payment through your mobile phone. Is Bheem. Answer is Bheem, Bharat Interface for Money. BH Bharat, I Interface, M Money, that is launched by our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. An e-wallet allows the user to make online transaction through a computer or smartphone. E-wallet service provided by PhonePe and Paytm also. Okay, once you can recharge your e-wallet, after that you can pay electricity bill, water bill, and you can that made transactions also. Eighth, fill in the blanks. The payment made electronically to do financial transaction are called electronic payment. Section B, state true or false. A blog allows the user to share their thoughts with the world. True. In online shopping, we can only sell the product. This is false. In online shopping, we can sell and purchase the products by using different e-shopping websites like www.amazon.in, Flipkart, and all. Flipkart is a popular e-commerce company based in India. Yes, that is true. This is an Indian company, Flipkart, e-commerce company based in India. True. The title appears at the bottom of every page of blog. The title appears at the top of every page, not bottom of every page of the blog. That's why it is false. An iPod is required to listen to podcast. False. RSS stand for relevant site summary. RSS stand for relevant site summary. That is a false. That right full form is rich site summary. Right answer is rich site summary. Product can also be physically delivered to the customer through electronic means. True. Eighth one, the transactional e-banking involves financial transaction that lead to transfer of money. That is also true. MCQ. PayPal is one of the most popular payment gateway founded in December 1998. Right answer is PayPal. Sachin Bansal and Binny Bansal are the founder of Flipkart. That is true. That correct answer is Flipkart. Blogger was launched in the year 1999. Which of the following website hosts a podcast? B answer www.soundcloud.com. Question answer, what do you understand by a blog? Explain its use. A blog is an easy to create website that allows the user to share their thoughts with the world. The word blog comes from weblog because a blog consists of signed and dated log of individual postings. Second question, name any website that provide the following facility: e-shopping, www.amazon.in, e-banking, www.pnbindia.com, e-reservation, www.irctc.co.in, blogging, www.blogger.com, podcasting, www.soundcloud.com. Third question, what do you understand by an e-reservation? E-reservation means making a reservation or appointment for service via the internet. Using internet we can not only check the availability of seat in bus, train, aircraft anytime, but can also reserve rooms, meeting halls or tables in restaurant. Fourth question, what do you mean by podcasting? What is its utility? Podcasting is the process of preparation and distribution of a podcast. The distributor of a podcast maintains a central list of audio or videos files on server. This list can be accessed through internet by using a podcast. Write a short note on e-commerce. E-commerce or electronic commerce refer to buying and selling goods and services or transmitting funds or data online. E-banking is the way of performing bank transactions using internet. Web feeds. A web feed is a data format used to keep the users abreast with the frequently updated content of a website. This is the exercise of your lesson. I hope that all students will complete this exercise. Thanks.